Summit's mission is to provide the best possible care to our patients at the right time, the right place, and the right kind of care. We're here to serve our community, and when our community needs care, our doors are open. Come into our emergency room, we're going to take care of you. Because we're a small critical access hospital, we don't do everything. And so part of our job is to figure out, can we provide that care here and appropriately? Yes. If not, where can we get that care for you? And we want to get you to that place as quickly as we can to get the care you need for care that we can't provide. Our ability to meet that mission has been strained over the last 3 years because we're having trouble getting you, our patients, from Summit to the place they need to get. How do we get them there? And that's a problem that has become a crisis for us. And so looking and establishing a partnership with Olympic Ambulance is going to mitigate that. And we're going to be able to get our patients as quickly as possible now to the right hospital that's available, to the right providers who can care for them in the fastest amount of time possible.
In a rural setting, such as we have with Summit Pacific Medical Center, the hospital is really a critical access hospital that serves a wide area, and so they end up with a really wide variety of the patient acuity on what comes in the door. A lot of things they're able to handle in-house and take care of and keep the patient in the community, but if there's a need for specialty care or advanced trauma care, advanced cardiac care, and stroke care, they're needing to get their citizens out of Summit Pacific and get them to the facilities that are built to be able to handle those types of crises. And so interfacility transport is really just making sure that those patients get moved to the appropriate facilities in a timely manner.
We've interviewed and talked with probably 4 or 5 different private ambulance services, and eventually have landed with a partnership we think is going to be successful called Olympic Ambulance. They actually specialize in rural transports, interfacility transports. They serve a number of our rural hospitals in our state. They're based out of Lacey. They have a lot of redundant services, and so we've now contracted with them. They're going to provide 24/7 one-call transfers for us. So we call, if they can't do it, they'll help manage it, whether it's they have a partnership with Airlift. They're going to be housed locally and respond timely to our needs. If we have 2 transports at a time or 3, they have the redundant resources that they can call and push into us to help us meet our patient transfer needs. So we're really excited, and we think this will be a huge benefit to our community in really 2 ways. Number one, moving our patients out of the hospital as timely as possible to the care they need, but also keeping that 911 resource in our community so that every one of us that needs that resource for a fire or an emergency is available.
We're able to basically provide continuity of care for those patients during that transport. So good patient care is started at Summit Pacific, and we're able to take what the staff there is doing, continue that care during that transport, and then provide a good report to their receiving facility about what led to the patient being here in this situation, what care has been provided at the hospital, what care that we have provided en route. And really, I think interfacility transport supports the EMS system overall. If you don't have good, consistent interfacility transport being done, then it creates bottlenecks for the entire system. The importance of interfacility transport is really high in that whole continuity of care. Summit Pacific has done an excellent job of bringing a high level of just wraparound healthcare to the community in Grace Harbor County. And we're really excited to be able to partner with them to really extend that continuum of care beyond their walls when they need to transport one of their citizens out to another community.
We're excited about this new partnership with Olympic Ambulance. We trust them. They have tons of experience, and we're confident in handing over our patients to them to transport them during this time. I believe they're going to be a long-term partner for us, and they're really going to add to the health and the safety of our community.